The Rockaway Peninsula is the southernmost part of Queens, New York. This barrier beach, which is no bigger than a mile in width at its thickest point, is squeezed between the Atlantic Ocean and Jamaica Bay. The slim stretch of land is home to approximately 130,000 people and for the most part is only a few feet above sea level, with some points directly at sea level. Due to its characteristics, the peninsula is prone to flooding. In fact, sometimes the bay meets the ocean. This area was especially impacted by Hurricane Sandy in 2012, and the region faced approximately $19 billion worth of damage. As discussed in the severe storms reading, there are studies which suggest an increase in intense storms in years to come, and as discussed in previous modules, the rise in ocean temperatures can produce more intense hurricanes. Both of these effects will put residents of Rockaway in imminent danger. While the communities involved are already raising their houses and reinforcing their beaches so that the Rockaway Peninsula remains habitable for years to come, by 2100 it is expected that most of the Rockaways would be flooded during a normal high tide. In order to reduce the potentially devastating effects of severe weather events, the government and military plan to build a seawall and drainage system, among other technological advancements, to protect the Rockaway Peninsula and the rest of New York City's harbor. This proposed plan came after the United States Army Corps of Engineers performed a study to determine how best to combat erosion in preparation for storms like Sandy. With the help of Senator Schumer of New York and other government officials, the resiliency project should begin shortly.